flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down, warming our heart, finding new bones, trying to find a place we call home.
Good morning and welcome to Florida day 2. It is Monday the 3rd of October today and we are checking out of the Avanti on International Drive. The resort has been fine for what we've needed it. We've literally slept in it for 2 nights and not really spent any other time in it, but I don't think we'd stay here again. It's not been great, it's so noisy, but it's been fine, we've lived with it. So we are in the process of packing everything up. We've only done really a trip to Walmart and bought some snacks, but my gosh, we've got so much more stuff now. Trying to pack up the cases again to take them to Disney has been a task, but we're pretty much there. We've had some snacks in the room for breakfast this morning, and then we are gonna head over to Pop, order an Uber, check in. Most likely our room won't be ready because by the time we get there it'll be about 9 AM. So our plan is to leave our bags with Bellhop and then get on over to Typhoon Lagoon, which opens at 10 AM this morning. So we've got plenty of time. We done so well waking up later today. We woke up at like 4:30 yesterday, but today I woke up at 7, Alfie woke up nearly 7:30. So I think we've managed to kick jet lag on day 1, so we're really pleased. So yes, just finishing up packing and then we're gonna head on over to Pop Century. We have arrived at Pop Century. We have been so lucky in that a room was ready for us. So we are here, just in the room now, with all our cases, which was a mission, an absolute mission, but we're here. We are in the 80s building, building 7, and this is our room. So we've got a bed here, and I believe this table pulls down into a second bed, but we won't need that, so we'll leave that there. Resort TV is on and ready for us, which is so exciting. We've got the mini fridge down here, a coffee machine and some cups. Got plastic cups, babe, we didn't need to buy them. And then we have got the pool. We're out looking, which is nice. We had requested 50s or 70s, but to get in the room early we could have an 80s room, so we were happy just to get in the room and be able to not faff around with bell services. So yeah, here we are. Happy?
Yes.
This is the bathroom. Got all the H2O products. Oh, shower looks nice. Toilet, and then this shuts off and we've got little wardrobe area, ironing board, sink, nice big mirror, and then yeah, that is us. And we can now get settled before we are heading. Our plan is to head to Typhoon Lagoon. But yeah, I can't believe we've got the resort TV on and we're in Disney. Just like that, we are chilling. Chilling in Typhoon Lagoon, Lazy River. The sun has just gone in, but it's been really nice and warm. Nice and chilled now.
Relax.
Uh-oh. Misadventure Falls! And we are back from Typhoon Lagoon and Disney Springs, and we are changed, all unpacked and heading to Hollywood Studios. There's a big black cloud behind us, but we're hoping that's not going to mean anything. I've got my Fantasia Mickey shirt on. Alfie, turn around. Fantasia Mickey's all round, because who do we think we're going to try and see today? Of course, Mr. Mickey. This is the view from when we walk out of our room, from the 90s section. That's the 90s section, we're the 80s section. And yeah, we're going to go to Hollywood Studios. We're hopefully going to get on a few rides, just have a quick service dinner, and yeah, maybe see the fireworks if we've got it in us. We'll see. You can definitely see how high Echo Lake is from all the rain Hurricane Ian brought last week. Yeah, so that's our building behind. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head keeping an eye on it. And this is our scenic walk towards the Skyliner. But yeah, the sun is just setting. Well, not quite setting, but it's going down. And we can see Art of Animation in the distance. But yeah, I'm hoping the walk to the Skyliner isn't too long, because we've already got tired feet. I've got my Skechers flip-flops on, ready to attack Hollywood Studios. And we can see the Skyliner now. It's not that far from us in the 80s. We could definitely be closer, but we could be further away. And look, the water looks really high actually. And just over that bridge is Art of Animation. But yeah, there it goes with Skyliners. Wonder if we'll get a character one. It's so scary when you first go off. We're in one of the characters, so it's wrapped. So you can't see much out, but...
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to...
Yep, we're at Hollywood Studios. Skyliner was very quick. You can see the top of the Hollywood Tower over there. And a nice new entranceway, which I think we have to go around this way by the looks of it. But yeah. Very excited. What should we try and do first? Tower of Terror or Rocky Roller Coaster?
Tower of Terror has got to be.
Tower of Terror?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah, I love this park.
Can't wait to be here. First official Disney park of the trip.
place we call home. They say enough is enough. It's time to head home to see the ones we love. Time to back again, to hit the road again.
So we've just done Rocking Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror was our first Disney theme park ride of the trip. Loved them both, they were both really good. Which was your favourite out of the two?
Tower of Terror.
Yeah, I love Tower of Terror, it was really, really good. It's about 7 o'clock now, so we are going to go and find somewhere for dinner. Alfie's searching the My Disney Experience app for us, ready to find some dinner because we're hungry now, but we didn't want to eat before we done the big rides. Ready for dinner?
Let's eat.
Let's eat. We are just in Backlot Express having dinner. We've both gone for the pulled pork burger, which looks really nice. And there was a really long wait to pick up the order, so they've given us a little treat of a cupcake, which is really cute. Looking forward to dinner? I know I'm starving now too, this is well earned. So we've just finished up a lovely dinner at Backlot Express. Did you enjoy that too?
Yeah.
Very nice pulled pork burger. It's very dark now in Hollywood Studios, which is lovely. I love it when it's all lit up at night. I don't know if you can see on my camera, but like, probably not. But like, all the beacons off the Chinese theatre are up. And we are now going to head to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, which is quite a tongue twister. But we've never done this ride, it's new for us. And we're going to try and do that, which will probably be our final ride of the night, and then we're going to maybe try and find a spot to watch fireworks. That's our plan. But yeah, it's been a lovely evening so far. Loving it. Loving it? Yeah, but we're early, so we gotta wait. We just watched the Hollywood Studios movie Magic, and now we are waiting for, what is it called? World of... I don't know either, but whatever the fireworks are afterwards at 9. All okay so far, the lighting is horrific, so excuse me for being blue, but yeah, we're all just sat down watching along with everyone else. And it's 5 minutes until the show, so yeah, we'll see. Runaway Railway, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway ride was really, really good. Not what we expected for the first time riding it, but we loved it, so yeah, glad we done that. So yeah, we've done 3 rides this evening, which is quite good. We've only been here a couple of hours, but we'll be back later in the trip many more times to Hollywood Studios. But yeah, it's just been nice getting back in the parks. But yeah, just waiting for the fireworks now.
Chinese theatre for Mickey's premiere. This gala is sure to be the talk of the town, as every star in Hollywood has gathered to see Mickey's latest sensational picture. Just hear those people cheer. And look, there he is, the star himself, Mickey Mouse. And there's his sweetheart, Minnie Mouse. Aren't the two of them just the cat's meow? Just don't tell Pluto. Let's take a look inside the theater.